All right, our lesson, the second part. So Jerome saved some money. Then he saved $5.50 more. Now he has saved $102.50. How much money had Jerome saved at the beginning? Let S represent how much money he saved. So he saved some money. So let's make our little thing here. There we go. So he saved some money. So he saved money. And then he saved $5.50 more. So we're going to add the $5.50 more. Now, total, he has $102.50 saved. Move that over. Or not. So that's going to be our equation there. We're going to figure out, okay, well, how much did he save before? So we have the $5.50. You can put S, or you can put $5.50. $5.50 plus S, because if you rewrite it with adding only, it will be the same, and multiplication. Plus that S equals $102.50. We're going to draw our little line down here. What we do to one side, we must do to the other. The opposite of adding $5.50 is subtracting $5.50. So we're going to subtract $5.50. We're left with S, how much he saved before. And 0 minus 0 is 0. Woo. 5 minus 5 is 0. Drop that decimal. 2 minus 5 we can't do. Ooh, ooh. 1 becomes a 0 to make that a 10. Now that 10 becomes a 9 to make this to a 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 9 minus 0 is going to be 9. 0 minus 0 is 0. So total, save $97. You can put the dollars if you want. You do not have to. But the total amount saved before was $97. All right, now Jade bought 8 packs of soccer cards. Each pack had the same number of cards. In all, he bought 104 soccer cards. So he had 8 packs. We're going to let P represent how many packs. So he bought 8 packs of the cards. We don't know how many were in there. But total equal, he bought 104. We are going to figure out how many cards are in each pack. So we have the 8 packs. 8P equals 104 cards. The opposite of multiplying by 8 is dividing by 8. So we're going to divide both sides by 8. So we're left with, in each pack, if we do 104, and we divide that by 8, we are going to get 13. And that is going to be it for our second lesson. Great job.